14 feet deep.
Is that a great white?
I had no idea.
Or a bull shark? You know, I think it's actually a bull shark.
That's a big fucking bull shark.
And those things are fucking meaner than great whites if it is. Yeah, it's a bull shark.
That is a big fucking bull. Or something.
Look at this fucking...
Hey, don't step on this rod and slow-mo lay down. Holy shit.
Holy shit.
I like the fact he's just circling us for the last 10 minutes. He might know something we don't. I think he's got to be at least 18 feet.
He's fucking big. He's almost as long as the boat.
Want to try to hook him?
No. You need to pull the ankle line in, somebody.
I just hope that you can see it through in the video. Oh yeah, you can.
Look how fucking big he is.
Shit. Oh my god.
Yeah, keep making
He's
circles.
fucking 12 feet long at least.
Oh, at least.
14.
Oh, he's. I think he's more than 15.
Holy
And his nose
shit.
hit the back of the boat. His fucking tail was right here, dude.
That's probably why everything quit biting over there.
Oh yeah, yeah. Is it illegal to shoot them?
I would imagine so. I mean, what was the game by shooting them? Mike, don't step on that.
Sorry about that. I'll pick that up.
It's only a fucking $380 rod. Oh,
That might be a little great white, man.
look how wide his belly is.
Yeah.